Good morning, ma'am. I will discuss chapter 1, Introduction to Forensic Chemistry. What is forensic chemistry? Forensic chemistry refers to the branch of chemistry that deals with the application of chemical theory and principle of the solution of legal problems, solution and the administration of justice. Ang forensic chemistry ko no is sadya ang solution o maadyo na pagsulbad sa problema na dili masolusyonan. Mas gana ang forensic chemistry na pagkuhan sa isa ka crime na malutas ka rin siya. Investigation, resolution, fact, criminal or civil counties of law. A simple terms, forensic chemistry application of chemistry is law. Ken Mate. The word forensis derived from the Latin word forensis, which means of the forum or public speaking of the form of legality. Yung mga forum which made the speaking of the truth na kita ka nila maisultin nila kung sa tinuod sa public. In the history of forensic chemistry can be tracked back to the use of poison in the ancient Egypt, Greek, and Romans. Demonstrate an ancient philosopher was considered and the father of modern science was probably ang forensic chemist. Ang history of forensic daw is dito nag-use gigamit nila ang poison sa ancient Egypt, in the Roman ginagamit o gigamit nila ang poison. The study of the first poison was the method of murder executed by Socrates was the first death of drinking hemlock. Si Socrates ang una na sentence o una napatay sa pag-inom nila sa drink hemlock or the poison and highly poison, pinakataas na poison sa earth. In central of the background chemistry, Jean Sevas said that 1983 and 1881 conduct study of the previous method by employing the delta of the types of possible poison in the body. The mid-19th century saw that replied advancement of forensic chemistry, taste for the blood or the development theory or effort of Germa's swing chemistry Karabakh Forkin sub and discovered the first urban method for identification of the. In the mid-19th century, dito na lagi chemistry na nag-test sila sa test for the blood of John Raba kuno ito ang kuan dito ba makita nila ang poison sa pagtest sa pinakauna. In Lucas exchange principle, other key figure of the history of the forensic science is Edmond Lockhart 1877 and 1971 1877 and 966, who also made several significant contribution in the society. Lockhart exchange principle. Si Lockhart is the who several significant contribution sa kuan sa history sa una kay because siya ang first police laboratory, siya ang una na nagamit sa police laboratory in the Lagon, France in 1910. Ophelia, the father of modern chemistry, toxicology. Joseph Buenavista Ophelia, 1877 and 1853, Spaniard who has the University of the Paris in the early 19th century. Si Ophelia kuno ang the father of modern forensic in 1873 and 1853. Sir Franz Galton, the fingerprint. The role of fingerprint in the field of forensic science was established in a publication for the first scientific book of fingerprint. Si Sir Franz Galton ang siya ang pinakauna na nag-establish sa forensic science in the public for the first scientific book of fingerprint. Siya ang una naka-imbento sa fingerprint na taglahi-lahi daw tag fingerprint sa katao. The crime laboratory, or a crime lab for short, is a scientific laboratory that was used for forensic chemistry. Ang crime laboratory or crime lab for short is scientific laboratory dyan. Diri gina-examine ng mga forensic ng mga ebidensya na dili makita sa ato mata nga lisod kaadyo makita kag kinahanglan examine nato. The physical nature of evidence, dari ang mga fingerprint, firearm evidence, biological evidence, track evidence, documents evidence, physical evidence, physical matching evidence, toxicological evidence, drug evidence, micro teaching for the vehicles, branch of examine for the PNP crime lab, for fingerprint division, firearm identification division, biological division, physical identification division, questioning documents division, physical matching evidence, chemistry division, chemistry division, physical identification division. The forensic chemistry is the professional chemist who analyze the evidence for the crime scene. Ang forensic chemist kuno sa pinaka professional o pag-abot sa pag-analyze sa evidence sa isa ka krimen. Commission for undertake the professional practice of chemistry. Among other, forensic chemistry must be able to spend our regulation applying critical techniques for evidence clearly and consistently answer the challenge for the finding and profession moral integrity function of the forensic chemist. Number 1 is conduct qualification and qualitative and quantitative examination. Number 2 is conduct examination. Number 3 is conduct explanation. Conduct gunpowder. Conduct conduct examination. Conduct blood alcohol determination. Examine urine or the bloodline. Conduct research or training related. Deliver lectures for the forensic testing, the providing expert responsible for the requires for the all investigator. Conduct field laboratory work and cleaning. 4 stages in practice for the forensic. For stage 1 is collection of reception of the semen collection. Ina-collect lang nila ang mga pag-conduct sa forensic chemist collection. Ina-collect na semen. Collect refers for the proper collection. Gina-handle and packaging for the semen. Gina-pack nila kung silang makuha na evidence. Stage 2, actual examination. Actual examination yan. Makita nimo sa makandak nimo examination procedure for different semen. Lain-lain na mga semen. Report writing for the solution. Ngayang pag makandak na ka ng kuha dyan na yung report writing, sulat na ka sa kay pakita result sa resulta sa imong pagkuha ng investigation. Stage 4 is court appearance. Yung pinakalas na makakita niyo sa final stage wherein the chemist must be explained the court for the finding the examination. Ang mga pinakalas na mapakita nimo sa court na unsay dito sa crime, mapakita nimo na related ba siya sa isa ka crime sa gibuhat. In a court of the law, for qualification, education, training, experience. The golden rule of practicing forensic chemist: go slowly, be truth, take notes, consult others, using imagination, avoid complicated theory. Chapter 2. Physical evidence. What is physical evidence? Physical evidence refers to any materials, object, introduced in a trial for the purpose of finding fact and issue based on its demonstrative physical characteristics. Ang physical evidence daw is daw ng mga material na bagay na apel sa crime scene na pwede mapa-approve pwede nimo pakita o mapa-approve nimo sa court na apel kasi ni siya sa crime scene na ginagamit sa pagpatay sa katao. Physical evidence can be classified according to the following. Makita yun dyan: physical nature, microscopic, solid, liquid, gaseous, etc. Type of examination to be conducted: drug test, drug analysis, paraphernalia test. Dari tulo po yung mga drug test, drug analysis, on paraphernalia test. Value of physical evidence. It is already have been mentioning for the physical evidence is the most more available for the testimonial evidence and most value for formal or later. Ang value of physical evidence is muna ang pinakamatibay na pagkuhan nimo sa isa ka physical evidence because mas prove pa ni siya na actual tapos mas ganay siya mapakita nimo sa isa ka evidence court na testimony. Mas gana pa rin sa testimony kita mapakita nimo kaysa istorya ra. May human factor, physical properties. There is human factor compared with the testimonial evidence, which change physical evidence can't lie and quit the die. Amo na ini yung dili ka pag may physical evidence, human factor, hindi na pwede maka-deny, hindi na pwede makapalimbong, na pwede maka-quit, makadagan, na pwede makapatay, forget, or get tired. Kaya daon na sa physical evidence na prove ka dun na ikaw rin nag-commit ng crime na dito yung mga fingerprints. Physical properties cannot change. So, may physical properties na pag makilabtan nimo magamit na di na mabalik or testimonial evidence can base usually or the interpretation for the can be changed can be di na mo dyan ma-change because down siya dito pag once na mo dyan malihok di na mo dyan mabalik o kontro kay down mo mga fingerprints. In collection of physical evidence, the scenes of the crime operation, the operation is so called. The term must have been several meaning goals in midterm during the process for collecting evidence. May mga so-called scene of the crime operation. Track evidence constitute one of the more common type of physical evidence what much have investigator and or she is the physical unlikely encountered. In guiding principle in was collecting of physical evidence, the area to law spatial of the sample, standard for comparison, maintenance for individuality, different specimen and labeling for sealing. Ang specialan for sample is specific weight, volume of price for the sample for analysis should be submitted so that series for lab can be performed. Mga yan yan. Diyan na kayo mga sample na pwede nimo ito makita na kung sa crime scene, pwede na nimo ito ipakita ninyo, ipahatag mo sa crime laboratory na sila natin mag-examine. Standard for comparison. Standard should be submitted for the comparative analysis, which is specific evaluation for unfair trade completion. Maintenance for individual. Difference specimen should be individual to prevent position, leveling and sealing. Individuals specimen should be viable and French Galton contribution. Galton was the first person to use the term eugenesis to describe the idea of providing the human race for selecting breeding. Dr. Edmund Lockhart contribution. He formulated the base principle for forensic science. Every contact leaves a trace. Dr. Paul Camel, hospitality Progadil, man of science, leading authority for French forensic medicine. Matthew Joseph Bonaventura Orfella contribution. Ophelia study of poison in the early 19th century. Advanced medical, biological, chemical, physiological, and legal science. So,